Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish ice cream. First, ensure you have 200 grams of very fresh white fish fillets, like cod. Next, measure out 250 milliliters of heavy cream and 100 grams of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small dash of vanilla extract to balance the flavors. These precise measurements are crucial for the best texture and taste. Now let's prepare the fish. Gently poach your 200 grams of fish fillets until they are just cooked, about 5 to 7 minutes. After cooking, carefully flake the fish, making sure to remove every single bone and piece of skin. It's important to get it very fine. Then, chill the flaked fish in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is key for proper blending. Next, we'll create the ice cream base. In a saucepan, combine your 250 milliliters of heavy cream, 100 grams of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar fully dissolves. Remove from heat, then stir in the thoroughly chilled, finely flaked fish and the dash of vanilla extract. Mix until everything is well combined. Finally, it's time to churn and freeze your unique dessert. Pour the prepared mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for about 20 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the churned ice cream into an airtight container. Freeze it for a minimum of 4 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop and enjoy. This will give you the perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.